Look at a banana plant. Not the fruit, the plant. It doesn't grow one banana at a time. It doesn't grow randomly. It grows in bunches, perfect rows, organized clusters, almost engineered. Each banana curves the same way. Each cluster hangs together. Each bunch ripens in sequence. That's strange, because most fruits don't grow like this. So why do bananas? Why not single fruits? Why not scattered branches? And why do they all curve upward even though gravity pulls them down? The answer isn't cosmetic, it's botanical strategy. A single banana plant can produce up to 150 bananas at once. Those bananas are organized into groups called hands, and all the hands together form a bunch. Even stranger, almost every banana you've ever eaten is genetically identical to every other one. No seeds, no natural reproduction, which means bananas don't grow this way by accident. They grow this way because it's the only way they can survive. To understand bananas, you have to forget what you think they are. A banana tree isn't a tree, it's a giant herb. What looks like a trunk is actually tightly packed leaves. And unlike apples or oranges, bananas don't rely on seeds for survival. Wild bananas once had large, hard seeds. They were unpleasant to eat. Over time, humans selected bananas with fewer seeds and more flesh. Eventually, we created a banana that couldn't reproduce naturally. No seeds, no pollination. So how does the plant survive? Through cloning. Banana plants reproduce by sending up shoots from underground stems. Every plant is a copy of the last. That means when a banana plant produces fruit, it has one chance, one flowering event, one harvest. After that, the plant dies. So when it flowers, it goes all in. Not one fruit, not a few, but an entire bunch. When a banana plant flowers, it sends out a single massive stalk. This stalk grows downward, away from the leaves. Along this stalk, flowers emerge in rows. Each row becomes a hand. Each hand holds multiple bananas. All the hands together form the bunch. This design is incredibly efficient. Instead of wasting energy growing fruit across multiple branches, the plant concentrates everything into one structure. Nutrients flow directly from the stem to every banana at once. No competition, no uneven growth. Every fruit develops together. That's why bananas in the same bunch are nearly identical in size and shape. The plant isn't being decorative, it's optimizing survival. One stalk, one harvest, maximum output. Here's where bananas get even stranger. Most fruits rely on pollination. Pollen meets ovule, seeds form, fruit develops. Bananas don't work like that anymore. Modern bananas are parthenocarpic. That means they form fruit without fertilization. The flowers still exist, the structure still forms. But seeds never develop. Instead, the plant diverts all its energy into producing edible flesh. That's why bananas have those tiny black dots inside. They're aborted seeds. The bunch structure helps here too, because without seeds, the plant needs a way to justify such a massive energy investment. Producing fruit in a single dense bunch reduces waste. Every banana ripens together. Every banana can be harvested together. For farmers, this is perfect. For the plant, it's survival by efficiency. Now let's talk about the curve. Bananas don't start curved, they start straight. After forming, the entire bunch hangs downward due to gravity. But bananas don't want to grow down, they want light. As the fruit develops, each banana begins growing upward against gravity. This process is called negative geotropism. Cells on the lower side of the banana grow faster than cells on the upper side. That uneven growth causes curvature. The banana bends upward toward sunlight. Every banana in a hand does this simultaneously. That's why they curve the same way. The bunch forces alignment. If bananas grew individually, their curves would be random. The bunch creates consistency. Even the shape you recognize is a side effect of group growth. Bananas didn't just evolve for nature, they evolved for farming. A bunch can weigh up to 50 kilograms. Harvesting one bunch is faster than picking individual fruits. Transportation is easier, handling is standardized. Farmers cut the entire bunch at once while it's still green. Why green? Because bananas ripen using ethylene gas. If they ripened on the plant, the whole bunch would over-ripen at once. Harvesting them green allows control. Controlled ripening rooms trigger bananas to yellow evenly. Again, the bunch structure makes this possible. One system, one timeline, no randomness. Inside a ripening banana, starch converts into sugar. The fruit softens. The aroma develops. Because bananas grow in bunches, they release ethylene together. That creates a chain reaction. One banana triggers the next. That's why bananas ripen in sequence, not randomly. And it's why separating bananas slows ripening. The bunch acts like a biological timer. Nature built bananas to ripen as a unit. This reduces waste in the wild and increases predictability in farming. Even the way bananas bruise easily is part of this system. Soft flesh signals ripeness quickly. Fast consumption matters when seeds aren't involved. So why don't bananas grow individually? Because that would fail at every level. Single fruits would ripen unevenly, waste energy, increase exposure to damage, reduce harvest efficiency. The banana plant only flowers once. It needs certainty. Bunches guarantee maximum yield, synchronized development, efficient harvesting, predictable ripening. The bunch isn't just convenient, it's necessary. So why do bananas grow in bunches? Because they have no backup plan, no seeds, no second chance. One plant, one bloom, one harvest. Bunches concentrate energy, hands organize growth, curves chase sunlight. Ripening follows a timer. Nothing about a banana is random. Not the shape, not the clusters, not the way they yellow together. Bananas aren't just fruit. They're a carefully balanced system designed to survive in a world they can no longer reproduce in alone. And the next time you peel one and notice how perfectly it fits your hand, remember, nature didn't design bananas for convenience. But convenience is what happens when design is done right.